what's up? Hi, what's up, you guys? How you guys doing? I just got a shipment in 2 days ago from Temu. I'm sure you guys have seen a lot about this company online. That's a new company doing shipments for your everyday items in China. I'll try them out. Temu, Temu, and I went to their bicycle section, and I got a few things. I figured I'd share with you, as well as put on the bike. Let me show you what I got. All right, let's start here. Right here is a throttle lock. It goes on the throttle of my moped, and what it does is it's like auto it's like cruise control for your bike. Wherever you set it on, how do I say this? I put it here, and my palm would set the controls, and it stays going at speed for until I disengage it. So I got wanting this feature for my moped months ago. So I finally got it. Here is handlebar guards. Handlebar guards. They go right here on the bike. They go right in front of the bike, and they protect your hands from hitting it against an object, the wind, debris, all kind of stuff. So it's something I thought I needed for my moped. Let's go with the next item. Next item is a pair of gloves. Let me put these down. Bam. Put these down. Next item is a pair of gloves. I got these gloves because I thought I lost my other pair of gloves. So I bought these just in case. And these are actually better than the pair I had. Let me show you. So here they are. And I don't know what that one finger is right for. I don't know. I wonder if it's a touch screen type of feature where you can use that finger to touch your screen on your phone, something like that. So anyway, I got these gloves to enjoy my ride, and I really don't need gloves when I come to think about it. I thought I needed them when I first got the scooter. I thought I don't need the gloves, but I guess I do because it makes you feel cool when you're riding. But for the most part, if I'm honest with myself, I really don't need them. And here is a phone charger, cigarette lighter. I got this because I have a device, a camera right now that I got for free from a contest I won. And it has a charger, but the charger is only for cigarette lighters. It's only for cigarette lighters. So I gotta install this to make it operational. That's so unfortunate, huh? Check it out. Here it is. So I lift this up and it gives me access like that. Now the problem is I don't know how to connect this thing. I don't know what to connect it to. But this is where I learn. This is where I teach myself. I'm thinking it connected to the battery, but I'm not sure. So anyway, that's the beginning of my troubles. And here's my items. And I will record myself installing each and every one of these items. So long, guys. The first thing I'm going to make it an attempt to install is the throttle lock. Let's see how this works out. So I'm going to take it out the package. And try to connect it to my bike. And let's see, this way. I'm going to need 2 hands, so I'm going to have to put the phone down and try this. I guess I'll be back when I'm done. Alright, so here it goes. I just put it on. Now I need to work to get it in its proper place. So I need to move it down a little bit more. But what happens is you sit your hand on top of it, and when you sit your palm on top of it and you let it go, it's supposed to keep the throttle in place. I have to test that out because it's moving every time I take my hand off. So I don't understand how that's supposed to work. Let's see. Well, it does stay. It does stay. So I guess I have to start it up and try it out. See. And test it out to see if it really works the way it's supposed to. But I'm sure I'm going to need to make some adjustments. Because it seems to be in the wrong place right now. So we'll see. Alright. I just learned that I can't put these on the bike. They don't fit on my bike. Because of this right here, I need more metal or more space between this area to put the bracket in place for there. And of course I don't have any space, so I can't put them on. But moving right along, I forgot about my little Buccaneer right here. You guys know how much I love pirates. So I got that put on a bike. I put it right here, thinking that it might be a good space for my Buccaneer. We'll see. I originally was going to put it right here, but that wasn't enough contact area. Put it right there. So I'll put it right here instead. And we'll see if it lasts. Now I might have to put my my bike cover on top of the bike at night to avoid theft of this item. I'm sure my neighbors, if they see that they're sitting there, they want to pull it off. But if I have a bike cover on the bike, then it'll basically hide that and protect it. So as for right now, there's nothing more I can do. I put this on here, and I put this on here. I got the gloves. I always wear those, but I can't put that on. I can't put the cigarette lighter on yet because I don't know where to attach it. I don't know if I'll put that on battery or what. So I'll just take a break until then.